In the world of precision manufacturing, every micrometer of accuracy is crucial. Xingtai DoubleRockets resin grinding will build on technology, taking craftsmanship as the soul, provide the ultimate solution for industrial grinding. Xingtai DoubleRockets Resin Grinding Wheel Company Limited, formerly known as Xingtai Grinding Wheel Factory Resin Grinding Wheel Branch, established in 1955. 70 years of deep cultivation in the industry. Writing the legend of Chinese grinding wheel manufacturing with craftsmanship inheritance. Drafting unit of the People's Republic of China. Machinery industry standard. Bonded abrasive products fiber reinforced resinode bond cutting off wheel. As a well-known trademark enterprise in Hebei province, we have always been the industry benchmark, the first batch to pass ISO 9001 quality system certification, defining quality with strict standards, reciprocate trust with time. The modern production base covers an area of 50,000 square meters, fully automatic production line and professional scientific research team. Dual-engine drive. Annual production capacity exceeds 10,000 tons. From cutting discs to grinding discs, each grinding wheel, all embody cutting-edge technology and precision craftsmanship. Rail cutting disc selected into the Railway System Directory. Escort China's rail construction with outstanding performance. High-end grinding discs, designated brand for large shipyards. 40 years ago, it was exported to international markets such as Japan. Conquer the global industrial field with stable quality. Industrial sector. DoubleRockets people take quality first, and win-win cooperation as the core concept. Adhere to product innovation and honest management. Respond to market changes with technological breakthroughs. From domestic substitution to international leadership, we always walk side by side with our customers. Supporting industrial development with reliable products. Give back to old and new friends with sincere service. 70 years is perseverance, even more breakthrough. From Xingtai to the world. DoubleRockets grinding wheel always believes. True sharpness does not lie in cutting steel, but it lies in honing trust. We strive for the ultimate performance in every grinding wheel. Responding to the roar of shipbuilding giant ships, the galloping of railway arteries, and the expectations of global factories, our belief in quality is the boat, and win-win is the sail. Join hands with every partner to break through the waves.